Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Messenger session expired. Please log in again problem on Messenger. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Messenger application. Tap on Messenger application. Tap on storage. Again tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Open Play Store and update your Messenger application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Tap on Wi-Fi. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Step 4. Your Messenger is uninstall and reinstall again. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.